Hi, we are going to be discussing organic chemistry. Now, organic chemistry is the study of organic compounds and their reactions. So we are going to be looking at the properties of organic compounds, what they are, and how they behave in chemical reactions, as well as looking at the types of chemical reactions that they can undergo. Also, before we go any further, it is very important that we discuss what is an organic compound. As we say in our institute, there is no use studying something that you don't even know what it is. It's important to address that first before we go into further discussions. So, an organic compound is any compound that contains carbon as a central atom. So carbon has to be playing the major role in that compound's properties as well as the definition and naming. But we find that there are some compounds that do contain carbon, such as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. However, these are inorganic because oxygen is actually the one that is more central in their behavior. So we classify them as inorganic. But then all compounds that do not have carbon atoms are definitely inorganic. So such as water, yes, so we find that organic chemistry is not the same as the organic that is used in daily life. Organic chemistry says that there must be a C atom in the compound. So water does not have a carbon atom. Therefore, it's inorganic. We also have hydrogen bromide, chlorine, and hydrochloric acid. All of those are inorganic products or compounds. So we are going to work with some of them, which is why I use them as an example. However, there are much more that we can list here as inorganic. As well as here as organic, we are going to go into the different classifications of organic compounds. Then we will later talk about how to name them and how to group them in their various groups called homologous series. Let's continue.